Hello and welcome to this third Colayla video about Twitter sign-in into a Colayla application. So when you do a web application, you will always need a sign up and a sign-in, at least for yourself, so that you can make changes to your application. Do not build your own sign up, but do use, for example, a Twitter, Facebook, or another already existing sign-in. Why? Because it's easier for the user. He doesn't have to remember a username and password. He can just log into Twitter and then go to your application. And it's also easier for you because you don't have to do a user management, you don't have to do things like forgot password functionality, etc. And also it's cooler because most of the users, they like to go to another site by taking their identity, their ego with them, and you will also like to see who is on your site. So the solution for that is on base.colayla.org sol OAuth. So let's have a look on it. I have created a new empty layer, logon mhegi colayla.org. And when I go there, it's empty, and I use first the usual development application, and then I go to OAuth and download OAuth. And once I've done that, you can go to HTML OAuth, and there will be a few examples how to use it. So you can also see the source of this and see how to detect the username and how to do a login for yourself. So when I try to sign in now into this application, it tells me that the application details are missing. So whenever you connect your site to Twitter, you have to log into Twitter and register an application. So you log into Twitter, you go to dev.twitter.com, and then you go to register an application. And once you're there, you type in an application name. So for example, mhegi logon app test, then the test, then the this is a mandatory field. This is logon.mhegi, logon-mhegi. Here's the URL. Organization, you can type in your name if you are not in an organization. This is important. Callback URL is always your domain. _fun_OAuth callback. So, and then you fill in this one. Here you can keep read-only. You only need a write application for in case you want to also tweet and change something on Twitter. And then you find in this just registered application, you find the two things which you need. So it's fill in the details. If you click here, then you get a form with two empty fields on the top, consumer key and a consumer secret. So you take them from here, consumer key, and consumer secret, and paste it into your application. And once you've done that once in the beginning, you don't have to do it afterwards. Then you go to HTML OAuth again, and now you can sign in. And once you sign in, you see that you are getting taken back to HTML OAuth, and here you see logged in as user mhegi. So you can just take that button and put it wherever you want that the user signs in, and you are already done with your login. This is to authenticate, and this is an example of loading data from Twitter. Please have a look at the source for more details. Thank you very much.